Welcome. In front of me is an LG V60 and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording function on the device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle somewhere in here. So here it is, screen recording. And before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings. So we have a couple things here. So we have the camera. Just allow this for now. There we go. So once you tap on allow, we can change video resolution from HD to full HD, which I would advise on doing, and then include yourself in the video by so here you have an ability to add also the front camera, so it records you. So I'll enable this, and above also you have a scale of it, so you can make this circle bigger or smaller. This will basically be the size of it on the display, so keep it as whatever size you want. And you also can include an image, so you'll just choose an image and that will be instead of the camera. So once it's all set here, we can leave this and go back to the toggles and simply tap on it and tap on start. And you can see the tiny little camera right here. So that is how you enable it. And you can move it around. Now anything that you do on the display will also be recorded. So whatever I'm doing right now will be recorded. And then once you're done, tap on the square right there and it gets saved to your gallery. So we can go into here. Now because I'm not sure if there is a sound recorded to this, I'm gonna mute this. So there we go. So now we can tap on play. And you can see it's being recorded and moved around, everything that I did. So that is how you would use the screen recording on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.